Introducing the 2024 Ford Puma ST Line 5D 1.0T 125 Mhev in sleek grey. This MPV comes with top-of-the-line features like cruise control, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting for a truly comfortable driving experience. With safety features like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Not to mention the stylish privacy glass, spoiler, and door sill protector for added flair. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.